Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications and Status Bar. After that, scroll down, click on See All from last 7 days, and tap on Most Recent at the top. Now select the best option for you, Most Recent, Most Frequent or Turned Off. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, you can click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. If you wish to switch them back on, click on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and then manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!